to give you an update on becoming an author on MIDI.org. In May, we changed the layout, and so there is no longer a way to get directly from the members portal. So here is how you access the back end. If you look here, I'm on MIDI.org articles, I'm logged in as an author, and if I simply go to www.midi.org create-blog-post, it will take me to the back end. It's easy for me to select different templates that are already laid out. If you like those templates, you can use them. You can also start from a blank post. And here, I have created a test blog post and can show you the different elements that are available in the back end. So, the first thing that you need to do is you need to create a title for your post. It will create a permalink. If you decide to edit that, what I recommend doing is to copy the blog title, put it into the permalink, and then hit this checkbox. That will update it so that it has the right permalink. That is your SEO, so that's very important. Try to pick a title that has the right tags so that people will be able to easily find it. And then if we select over here, we can see that by using this insert block section, we can pick different things. Headings, text, tabs, columns, tables are the parts of the layout. We have elements, which will do very specific things, and then we have media. So let me run through some of the examples of that. This is a heading, so I can select it, and I can change the size of the heading pretty easily here. Whatever looks good to you. Then the other thing that you will use a lot is, of course, text. So this is a text area, and you enter your text there and it will appear. Here is a note. There are different types of notes. If you want to highlight something, this allows you to easily highlight things. If you're going to do a quote, there's a separate block, as you see here, for posts and for quotes, sorry. If you want to do a link, here's an interesting thing. You can choose the link from insert block, which is over here. You can insert a link, and then what you're able to do with a link, which is interesting, is you are able to slide down here, and you can select different images. It will scrape whatever the link is, and it will get you different images, so you can pick different images. This happens to be the homepage of MIDI.org, and you can select the one that you like, and then that will appear in the link page. It's very easy to upload images. You can enter a URL. You can browse media if you have media already inside you can look at those things. One thing that I would mention is you want to make sure that you actually have the rights to use the image. You should only use images in your post that you own, you have taken, or you have the permission of the person who took the photograph. So this is pretty important. The MMA and the MIDI Association is a volunteer organization, so we rely on you to police your own posts. We will, of course, look at them, and if we question whether the actual rights to that photo are owned by you, we'll send you an email. There's lots of different media that you can select. Obviously, it's pretty easy to put in YouTube videos. We'll be updating the YouTube video for the CMS Demo, which is a blog post about becoming an author on MIDI.org. But you can select different types of media. You can select what are embeddable is SoundCloud, Spotify, Instagram, SlideShare, Tweets, Pinterest, YouTube, Vimeo, MTV, TED Talks, MetaCafe, Facebook, live streams. All of those things are embeddable into your blog post. And so It's also easy to either duplicate, move, or delete a section just simply by clicking on it. This is something just stylistically. Well, usually we will use this rule and insert a rule in between different sections of the article. You can also do read more, you can do page breaks, you can actually do pure HTML if you have somebody who is an HTML coder. So as you can see, the back end is actually really easy to use. And a couple of things that we would like to point out: because of the new way that articles are done, you should post a cover for your article. You can browse media or you can upload it. In this case, I'm going to browse my media. I'm going to select this as the cover, and then that will appear on the articles page as the cover of your article. So that's a quick run through of how to become an author on MIDI.org. We'll be updating this on the YouTube page, and we hope you enjoy writing your article and sharing your passion for MIDI with all of the members.